everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at some folding chairs by Fanttik. These are the Fanttik HA Lite folding chairs. So taking a look at the chairs, this comes in a 2-pack and a 4-pack. This is the 4-pack version. You can see here, it's made out of the HDPE material. It's got the two-tone, the white and this brown frame. Folding it is very simple. You can just fold it like so, and you can see the bottom here, very thick, weighs about, comes in about 10 pounds. You can see the Fanttik branding on the top, and then unfolding it, simple like that. It's got a 105-degree recline angle, and then the seat is about 33 inches long. So you can see here, when I sit down, very comfortable, and it just feels natural with the angle. You know, these are perfect for the outdoors, whether you're having a picnic, any type of gathering. If you have a lot of people over, you can certainly use these chairs along with the Fanttik tables that I've reviewed in the past. So here's one of the Fanttik tables that I've reviewed in the past, and you can see you can easily pair it. You can have it like so and use your chairs. So the chairs do feel real sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap at all, not like those folding metal chairs. This definitely is a step above that. Folding it, you can stack these together so storage won't be an issue. So here's 3 of them and the 4th one. So now you can store it in a closet in your garage, and again, it doesn't take up much space. Okay, so that's a look at the Fanttik HA Lite folding chairs, perfect for the outdoors, and you can pair it with the Fanttik tables that I've reviewed in the past. So I've left the link in the description box below if you want to check it out.